Not gonna feel the crack feeling
You're
where
not
it's
gonna
like,
get
oh my
sore.
god. But you're not gonna be as sore. Number
Yeah.
one. Number two, you're gonna notice a change in your physiology where you're gonna be a little bit more at ease, relaxed, because your nervous system. We're usually gonna work on two areas: neck and lower back, just because they're very connected with the parasympathetic nervous system, and then your body's gonna shut down, blood pressure is gonna go down, sugars go down, etc. So we get to see a change in physiology very quickly. Most people, after their first adjustment, they sleep better as well. The body goes into a reset stage essentially, and the other part is the more you do it, you kind of see a progressive change all the time.
Yeah.
The patient's like, not only is the pain going away, but I'm sleeping better, I have better energy, better mood, etc.